record for you a short summary recap of our Improvers Solo Jive Practice Routine number 4. So, yes, number 4. We've just taught this morning. It is the 11th of April 2022, and this was a very, very short practice routine. The first section of the routine works more with the followers' footwork than it does with the leaders. So next time we do a routine, we'll work a little bit more. But the last part of the routine is equal left and right and doesn't favour one or the other. So, section 1, we did 2 basics in place: back, rock, triple step, back, rock, triple step. I then went under the arm, the imaginary arm of my partner, and went out to the right, or it's a change of place. Back, step, triple on the right, triple on the left, and I then returned. Back and triple on the right, triple on the left. Okay, from here, an American spin straight away, no basic. Back, step, triple step, straight in. So section 1 is 2 basics, underarm turn, and straight into the American spin. Let's look at section 2. Section 2, I'm going to start with a back rock, 4 travelling chasses, in, out, in, out. A side chasse, which is going to be my throwaway, on the right, pick up the left 180 degrees, and yes, we're facing the back of the room. So we're going to do our 2 hip bumps facing the back of the room. Let me come a little bit closer. Back on the right. Back and hip bump in, hip bump out. Back and hip bump in, hip bump out. And returning from here, return from my throwaway. Okay, so section 2 is a little fall-away rock, 4 little travelling chasses with the twist in and out, a throwaway to face the back of the room, do my 2 hip bumps facing the back of the room, and then return from my throwaway, and that is section 2. Section 3 is a step sequence. I'm going to start with my right foot and we're going to do a mooch. Back and flick, flick, back and travel, back and flick, flick, back and travel. Second part, 1 back rock, 2 travelling chasses, in, out, 2 single fast ones, in, out, 2 stalking walks. There's a little tap step, tap, step, tap, step, a little side chassis with an extension to a little slide. Couple of seconds to pause in the music, and then we go back the other way. Back and triple, triple, quick, quick, pointing, pointing, triple, pause. There's just a little break there in the music just to catch up to the end of the bar of 8. So that's section 3. Let's put all 3 sections together. From the top, basic, back and triple step, back and triple step, underarm turn, triple step, back, rock, come back, American spin, back and spin, here, back rock, chassis for 4, 3, 2, 1, throwaway, 2 hip bumps, second one, return from your throwaway, sequence of a mooch, you can add some arms, take it across, back, step and arms, optional, back step across, last step sequence, back step, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, hold 7 and 8. There we go, guys. That was just a very short recap, summary. Improvers Solo Jive practice routine number 4. Full class was on the 11th of April 2022. If you're in my full video library, head over to the Improvers Solo Ballroom and Latin Plan Improvers page, and you are looking for the combined slow foxtrot and jive class. Remember, we do 45 minutes slow foxtrot, 45 minutes of our jive, and you will find that is the second half of the class on the 11th of April 2022. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.